So over the past 2 years, I've generated over $690,000 on Skool. I'm a top 5% earner on the platform, and I even won the Skool game. And I did it using a very simple system that I'm going to show you in this video. And I'm also going to show you exactly how I turned all those systems into a team of Claude agents that helped me run this $300,000 a year coaching business in about 4 hours a day. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how my entire business works, from the funnels to the traffic system to how we convert. And then once I walk you through the model, I'm going to show you the team of AI agents that help me run it all. So let's jump into it. Now, before we get into it, I wanted to be fully transparent with you. My business is doing great, but I have more expenses than I want. And a big part of that is my team. So we have 3 people in the Philippines that are working full time. They've been with me for 5 years. I would never fire them. I love them. They'll probably be with me forever. But it is a big expense. So I wanted to show you in this video how honestly you could start a solo business and probably make $1 million a year very easily with just yourself and a team of AI agents. And so that's what I want to show you in this video. So if you already have a coaching business and you want to learn how to make more while working less, then this video is definitely for you. And if you're just starting out and you're looking for a full system to grow your coaching business plus the AI agents that'll help you to run it, then this video is for you too. All right, so now let me walk you through the full system that I'm using to grow my coaching business. And then after that, I'll show you the AI agents that I use to run it. All right, so the way that I make money is I run a Skool community where I help other coaches build a predictable system that helps them not only grow monthly recurring revenue, but also helps them to close high ticket clients consistently if they're selling high ticket. And so the same system that I use or I teach my clients is the same system that I use to grow my own business. And so that's what I'm about to walk you through right now. So everything starts with traffic. If you don't have traffic, you're not going to grow. So we have 2 different traffic systems for growing our community, growing our audience, and helping us build our business. All right, so the first traffic system is our free traffic system. So that's organic content. It's basically like me creating a video for YouTube or maybe Instagram. In that video, I'll promote some sort of lead magnet that we store inside of our free community. And so to access that lead magnet, you have to join our free community. So that's one way that we're driving traffic and growing our audience inside of our free community, where we can present offers, we can book calls, and we can close sales, okay? Now, the other traffic system is our paid traffic system. And what's really cool about this one is that the money we make from this funnel that I'm about to walk you through helps us to fund our ads so that we can spend more on paid traffic and grow faster. So every single month, what we do is we create a workshop. And so that workshop is basically we take a small step of our bigger program and we teach people how to implement that one step. And so that gives them a quick win. It builds trust and authority with them and tees them up to buy our core offer, which we'll talk about in just a second. Now, for each of these workshops, we create a funnel where we sell that workshop on the funnel. And there's 2 different options to buy the workshop. There's the $47 one-off option where they just buy that one workshop for $47, or they can join our paid tier inside of our free community that is $17 a month, where they get access to not only this workshop, but also all the other workshops we've done in the past, plus another course. Now, the front end sales that we make in this funnel feed back into our paid ads so that we can spend more on paid traffic to grow our audience, to get more opportunities to sell our high ticket or our paid communities. Now, both of these traffic systems feed into our free community, either in the free tier or in the paid tier. And so we start to build our audience inside of that free community where we can make more offers, we can book calls with people, lots of different opportunities to sell people once we start to build an audience of people that know, like, and trust us inside of our free community. Now, if we go back to the monthly workshop, remember, we're trying to get people into this monthly workshop where we're helping them solve one small step in our bigger program. So we give them a quick win and then we show them, hey, this is just one small step of the whole process to get the result that you actually want. And then we invite them into our bigger offer, whether that's our annual paid subscription for our community, or if we have a high ticket offer, what we'll typically do there is we'll book a call. Now, you could just sell with a simple Google Doc, or you can make the offer right there on the workshop. Just depends on, how much trust and authority you've built with your audience. And so at the end of that workshop, typically what we're doing is we're booking calls and then we're closing high ticket clients. Now, like I said, each of these workshops feeds back into our paid traffic so that we can spend more, we can grow this whole flywheel faster. And also what we've done is we've created AI agents for every single step in this process that basically helps us to do this a whole lot faster and easier than it used to. It used to take us a couple of weeks to build a workshop. Now we can do it in less than a day. And this is exactly how a one person can build $1 million coaching business for yourself and AI agents. All right, so that's my business model. Now I want to show you some of the agents that I use to run it. All right, so this first one used to take me weeks to implement, and now I can do it in less than a day. So like I mentioned, monthly workshops is a core strategy that we use to grow our business. And so before I had these agents, I had to do everything myself. I had to plan it, I had to create the presentation, I had to create the promo materials, I had to create everything from scratch, and I had to do it all myself. It was a huge bottleneck in my business. It used to take me weeks to get everything done. It was exhausting, and honestly, it was burning me out. So now I can do it in less than a day, and let me show you how that works. All right, so I'm going to show you these agents working in real time here in just a second, but first I want to walk you through how the system works. And so what I've done is I've created a full workshop pipeline inside of Claude Code. And so what this does is it takes me from idea that I have about the workshop to full workshop package with everything I need to actually run this workshop and promote it. Okay. So the first step of the process is I turn on voice mode inside of Claude Code and I just brain dump what the workshop's going to be about. Who is it for? What are the 3 to 5 steps I'm going to teach in the workshop? And then what is the offer I'm going to pitch at the end, and maybe a little bit more information. Once it has all that information, it starts to build the plan out with me piece by piece, and I just react. Hey, this is great. Oh, let's change this until we get it exactly the way we want it, and then the system is ready to build. And so at this point, I just go for a break, take a walk, whatever I want to do, and then I come back and I have everything built. And so the first thing this tool is going to build is the plan for the whole workshop. So the promise, the angle that we're going to take, the quick win, the offer pitch at the end. So everything is going to be kind of planned out, mapped out. Then once it has that, it's going to build the presentation deck slide by slide. So I come back to a beautiful built presentation ready to go, ready to convert people on that workshop. Then this is really, really cool. It starts to create all the promotional assets. So all my ad creative, all my ad copy, my emails. And what's really cool is it actually pushes those emails into my CRM, which is Go High Level. So they're already ready to go, sitting in my CRM. Maybe I need to go in and edit them, but they're ready to go pretty much and ready to send. Okay. So that's really cool. And then the final one is really cool. I've actually figured out how to get Claude Code to build funnels inside of Go High Level. I'm not talking about just creating the HTML code and then I have to go copy and paste it. It will actually control my computer and it will go build the entire funnel, each of the different pages, connect all the pages, add the checkout. Everything that I need for a full working workshop funnel is done and created by the time I get back from my break. And so that is the power of creating these agents for the different systems in your business, because they can essentially run the whole thing for me. Again, this used to take me weeks, and now I can do it in just a couple of hours. Now let me actually show you these agents at work. All right, so to kick off the workshop pipeline, I'm going to come into Claude Code and I'm going to type in workshop/guide. And that's going to kick off the skill that's going to basically guide me step by step through the process from the idea for the workshop all the way to the final product where I've got the full presentation, the funnels, and all the promotional assets ready to go. All right, so basically now it's asking me, do I want to work on some of the other workshops that I've already been working on, or do I want to start a new one? I'm going to say start a new one. All right, so now it has my product roadmap, which is basically my step-by-step process that I take people through to go from the problem they have that they want to solve all the way to the transformation they want to achieve. That's like our full roadmap of our program. So this tool is going to ask you if you want to create a workshop from that roadmap, or do you want to create them? Now, I've gone ahead and answered all the questions it needs ahead of time. I'm going to go ahead and paste all those answers in here and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so as we work through this pipeline, we have like a checklist that it's going to go through. You can see we've got 3 of 58 items done. And so the next thing it wants to do is it basically is asking about my back end offer. So I'm also pasting in my information that I have about the back end offer, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now we're getting into the workshop builder skill, and this is basically where you're going to do your brain dump. You're going to tell the skill about what the workshop is going to be about. It'll ask you a bunch of questions to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to paste in all my answers to that question, and then we're going to move on to the next step. All right, so now after we've answered all those questions and it started to go to work, the builder actually builds out our plan, builds out our speaker notes, builds out the actual presentation. So let's actually take a look at that. So this is the presentation that it built. You can see all of the slides are uniform, the same design. They look really, really good. You can see our speaker notes are here in the notes section, so we can actually have a script to read. If we go down to the offer section, you can see where we start talking about our offer. So this looks really, really good. And if you have any edits or anything, you just kind of go through this and tell Claude Code what needs editing, and then edit your script, and you're ready to present this thing. All right, so next step, we want to build out our funnel. So we're gonna go ahead and say, yes, build the funnel. All right, so Claude Code has actually gone out. It's actually built our funnel pages for us. It's built our sales page. It's built our checkout page. Let's actually take a look at what that looks like. So remember, this is our design theme from our presentation. We've got the Skool logo here. We've got this nice little cream colored background. Now let's actually go over to the funnel pages and see how they look. So this is our funnel page. You can see we've got that same cream colored background. We've got the Skool logo here. We've got the same kind of design theme here. If I click this little button, that's going to take us down where we can actually purchase the workshop. If I click on this button, it's going to take us to the checkout page for the workshop. And Claude Code did all of this. It went into Go High Level. It built these funnel pages. It built the presentation. I'm not going to take you through all of the skills because it would just take too long and it'd be boring. But you can see how powerful this can be after just sitting with it for like 30, 45 minutes. It's going to build all this stuff for your workshop. So that is one of the agents and one of the core strategies that we use to grow my coaching business. Now that workshop pipeline is obviously super cool. It's probably one of my favorites, but it's really only one AI agent workflow that I have running inside my business. So now let me show you 3 more so you can see how much leverage you can actually create in your business when you have AI agents running every aspect of it. And it's really the only way that I'm able to run a successful business, a successful coaching business on 4 hours a day. So let me show you these 3 other agents. Now, I used to struggle when it came to coming up with topics for my YouTube videos. And I'm not exaggerating when I say that I would spend hours researching YouTube video ideas. And so I would do outlier research. I would do keyword research to try to find keywords that I could rank for. I would look for trending topics in my niche on Twitter or Reddit or in different Skool communities. And at the end of my research, I would come away stressed out, frustrated, and still not have any topics to talk about. So what I did is I worked with Claude Code to create a series of skills that will do this YouTube research for me. So the first skill that I created basically goes out to YouTube and looks for outliers for the last 90 days. So these are videos that did multipliers better than a typical video on that particular channel. And so it will go out to YouTube, it will scan for the past 90 days in my niche, and it will pull all of the outliers that it believes that I could do a video on and put them in this board. And then when a new idea comes in, I can click on it and I can decide, do I want to create this video or not? And then I can, if I do want to create it, I can mark it as accepted. If not, I can dismiss it. And now I have a whole board of video ideas that I can pull from for my next video. Also, I have another skill that goes out on that same Friday scheduled task, and it will search different Skool communities that I'm part of that are in my niche, Twitter accounts that are in my niche, Reddit accounts that are in my niche, and pull trending topics in so I can know what's hot and what's trending out in the marketplace in my particular niche. And so with these 2 skills, I never run out with YouTube topics. I've always got another video idea that I can pull from. Now, not only that, but I've, just like with the workshop pipeline, I've created a whole pipeline of skills for my YouTube videos. So basically, it helps me to pull the topics. These are the 2 skills for that. I can then outline the video and then script it. And then also I can, once I film it, I'm going to show you this next skill, which will actually help me to edit the video without an editor, which is pretty awesome. So I absolutely hate video editing, so much so that I ended up hiring a $1,500 a month video editor, which is $18,000 a year. So that's not a small expense, right? Now I have an AI video editor that does all of my editing for me, which you're actually watching a clip that it edited right now. And so it does the edits faster. The work is just as good, if not better. And it's saving me $18,000 a year. So now all of my videos are edited by this AI video editor, including the one you're watching right now. So that's also one of my favorites. Now let me show you the last one. So the third system I want to show you is metrics. So I used to have zero visibility into the health of my business. I didn't know what was working, what wasn't, if I was making money really. And so now every single morning I have an AI agent that goes and pulls all of my metrics for my entire business. So it pulls my free community metrics, my paid community metrics, my YouTube metrics, my ads metrics, my sales call metrics, everything that I need to understand how healthy my business is and if it's working or not is pulled into these pretty dashboards that I can look at every single morning, and I don't have to lift a finger. the agent does it all for me. So that is amazing. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it took me months to build all this stuff out, and it was a huge pain in the ass. So if you wanna skip all that, and you'd like for me to just hand you everything that I've created, including my full library of Claude Code skills and agents, and you'd like to get my help implementing all the systems to help you grow your coaching business, there's a link in the description to a document that's going to walk you step by step through exactly what that looks like. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description, and we'll see you on the next video.